Hello everyone, I'm Neel Krish Bala and today I'm going to show you my crypto wallet app. I've done it using SQL, Python and APIs. And as you can see, this is the opening page where it asks me if I want a tutorial or not. And if I press yes, it opens a PDF with a tutorial guide. And as you can see here, it is the beginner's guide with all the step-by-step details on how to use the application. And now first I'm going to show you the admin interface where if I press admin, the password is NVM2024. And as you can see, I have three options: display current users, add users and reset all data. Now if I want to display current users, you can see that I have three inbuilt users. And now if I want to add a user, let's say Ravi, and you can see that the user has been added. And if I press the display current users again, I can see that the user details are there. And you can also see the already existing details in Neel, such as how much cryptocurrencies I've already bought and the value of it. Now if I want to reset all this data and go back to the inbuilt three defined users, all I got to do is press 3, and you can see here that all of them have been deleted and it's come to the default users. And now I'm going to exit this and I'm going to show you the user interface. Now that I don't need a tutorial, and I'm going to enter under my name, and you can see the user menu. So let's start with depositing funds. Now I'm going to deposit INR worth 10,000 rupees. And as you can see, it says funds are deposited. Now let's buy some crypto using that. And as you can see that it is loading, it gives the current values of the coin. This is real time and it's derived from the APIs. And now I want to buy Ethereum in INR worth 5,000 rupees. And now I'm going to confirm the sale. And now it shows purchase history updated. Now if I view the dashboard, it's going to show me the values of the Ethereum in current time. Now as you can see, I bought Ethereum coins worth 0.018 and the total value of this coin has now increased by 2.797 rupees, which is a profit for me. Now let's say I want to sell 2,500 rupees worth of Ethereum. All I got to do is press 4. And now again, it is going to give me the real-time data of the coin values. And now I'm going to press ETH and I'm going to press INR and I'm going to sell 2,500 and I'm going to confirm the sale. And now if I want to see the purchase history of how many times I bought and how many times I've sold, you can see the current date, time in Indian Standard Time, and what I've done, purchase, sale, and all of that. And now if I view the dashboard again, it's going to show a refresh dashboard with the current time values. And now you can see I'm in a 5 rupees profit. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my project.